Hello, today's video is a little different from others. Today we are going to know the story of Isaac Newton. Birth and early life, 1643–1655. Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, England. He was a tiny premature baby, so small people feared he might not survive. His father had died before he was born, and his mother remarried, leaving young Isaac with his grandmother. From the very beginning, he was curious and loved exploring the world. School days and curiosity, 1655–1661. At school, Newton wasn't always the best student. But he loved building, experimenting, and asking questions. Math, astronomy, and nature fascinated him. His curiosity was endless. University and plague years, 1661–1665. In 1661, Newton joined Cambridge University. He studied mathematics, physics, and philosophy. Then, in 1665, the Great Plague closed the university. Newton returned home, and during this quiet time, some of his greatest ideas began to take shape. The apple and gravity, 1665–1666. Legend says that while sitting under a tree, an apple fell on his head. Newton wondered, why do objects always fall straight down? This simple question led him to discover gravity, the invisible force that governs the universe. Laws of motion and mathematical work, 1665–1687. Newton didn't stop there. He discovered the three laws of motion, explaining how everything moves when forces act on it. He invented calculus, studied light and prisms, and showed that white light is made of colors. In 1687, he published his groundbreaking book, Principia Mathematica. Later life and achievements, 1687–1703. Newton's genius was recognized across England and Europe. He became the Lucasian Professor of Mathematics. Later, he served as Warden and then Master of the Royal Mint, improving England's coins. He also led the Royal Society as President, guiding scientific progress. Personal life and personality. Newton never married and mostly lived alone. Known for intense focus and dedication, he could be difficult at times. But his mind was always alive with curiosity, discoveries, and the pursuit of knowledge. Death and legacy, 1727. Isaac Newton passed away on March 31, 1727, at the age of 84. He was buried in Westminster Abbey, honored as one of the greatest minds in history. His discoveries in physics, mathematics, and astronomy changed how we understand the universe. From falling apples to orbiting planets, Newton revealed the invisible forces that shape our world. His ideas continue to inspire scientists, dreamers, and curious minds, even today. Closing thought. Newton's life reminds us that curiosity, observation, and patience can unlock the secrets of the universe. From a tiny baby in England to one of the greatest scientists ever, his story inspires us even today. Let's say bye for now.